Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. I bring you apps and websites on a daily basis to put extra money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for future videos. Okay guys, I want you to stick with me through this to the end because this video is doing it on Fiverr. It's a freelancing website, but the reason I want you to stick with me near the end is this is a two-pronged effect on how you can make money, where it could be a side hustle, or you could be good enough you could quit your 9 to 5 job. So let's go. Let's do this. Like I said, guys, this is a first part. This is a freelancing site where you can use your skills, whatever skill set you have. So right here are the jobs available. I'm just going to this just to show. Just say you guys are good at doing web design. You can make $15 to 60 to 150, or you can outsource, have them at a lower price, help you out, start your business. If you want to become a seller, you gotta sign up here, fill out all the information. Then you can promote your products, whatever it is. So you guys are into writing. You can do writing. Video animation. You can do right here. Advertise short ads for other YouTubers, intro and outro. I'm gonna do another video in the near future on this, how you can make some money doing this. But I'm just showing you how other people make money. And you can do testimonials on your channel, promote it on YouTube. Look at that, guys. 6,000. There's ideas, guys. I mean, there's something for everybody in here. If you're good at making mobile apps, okay, guys, that was my first part. This is what I wanted to really show you. The important This is for people that sign up. Okay, guys, right here. I signed up a week or two ago, and this is, I signed up for affiliate marketing for Fiverr. And this is where I'm going to put my link below. All you got to do is sign up with my link, and you can refer friends from $5 to $100 per referral. To me, this is the easiest way to make money. This is why I was inspired to make this video right here. Help you guys make 5 to 100 per pop. Three easy ways how to do it. Spread the word by email, social media, sign up all your friends. You get 20% off anybody that buys anything off Fiverr. And up to $100, 20% off first order and up to $100. So please guys, jump on this one. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. If you like this, guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. That's all I got for this video. And until the next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.